What if I told you that your tiny apartment balcony could produce fresh herbs, vibrant flowers, and even your own vegetables, all in just a few square meters? Most people think gardening is only for those with big backyards, but that's completely outdated. In today's urban world, your balcony is more than just extra space. It's an opportunity. An opportunity to create your own peaceful green escape, reduce stress, improve air quality, and even grow your own food. And here's the truth. You don't need experience, expensive tools, or a lot of time. With the right setup and a few smart strategies, anyone can build a thriving balcony garden that looks amazing and actually works. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to turn even the smallest balcony into a lush, productive garden. From choosing the right plants to maximizing space, avoiding common mistakes, and keeping everything low maintenance, we're covering it all. So, if your balcony is currently empty, cluttered, or underused, this might be the transformation you didn't know you needed. Let's turn your small space into something extraordinary. Number 1. Start with smart planning. Before you buy a single plant, the most important step is planning. This is where most beginners go wrong. They get excited, buy random plants, and then wonder why things don't grow well. Start by observing your balcony throughout the day. How many hours of sunlight does it receive? Is it direct sunlight or indirect? This one factor alone will determine what plants will survive or struggle. A balcony that gets 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight is perfect for vegetables and herbs, while shaded balconies are better suited for foliage plants. Next, think about space. Measure your balcony and decide how much room you can realistically dedicate to plants without making the area feel cramped. Remember, this is still a living space. You want it to feel relaxing, not overcrowded. Wind and weather exposure also matter more than you might think. High-rise balconies often experience strong winds, which can dry out soil quickly or damage delicate plants. If this applies to you, consider wind barriers like screens or placing sturdier plants along the edges. Finally, plan your layout. Visualize where pots, shelves, and hanging plants will go. Creating a simple layout ahead of time saves you money, prevents clutter, and helps your garden look intentional rather than messy. Smart planning is the foundation of a successful balcony garden, and it makes everything else easier. Number 2. Choose the right plants. Choosing the right plants is what turns your balcony from average to thriving. The key is to match plants with your environment, not the other way around. If your balcony gets plenty of sunlight, you have a wide range of options. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary are excellent choices because they're easy to grow and incredibly useful in the kitchen. Vegetables like cherry tomatoes, chili peppers, and even small eggplants can also do surprisingly well in containers. These plants not only look beautiful, but also give you something fresh to harvest. If your balcony has limited sunlight, don't worry, you still have great options. Plants like snake plant, pothos, and ferns thrive in low-light conditions and require minimal maintenance. They're perfect for beginners or busy lifestyles. It's also important to think about plant size. In small spaces, compact or dwarf varieties are your best friend. They grow efficiently without taking over your entire balcony. Another smart strategy is mixing different types of plants. Combine herbs, leafy greens, and decorative plants to create a balanced, visually appealing space. This layering effect makes your balcony feel lush and vibrant without needing a lot of room. Remember, a few healthy plants are always better than many struggling ones. Start small, learn what works, and expand gradually as you gain confidence. Number 3. Use vertical space like a pro. When you're working with a small balcony, the secret weapon is vertical space. Instead of spreading plants across the floor, you build upward, and this completely transforms how much you can grow. Wall planters are one of the easiest ways to do this. You can mount them directly onto your wall or use a freestanding vertical rack. These are perfect for herbs, small flowers, and leafy greens. Not only do they save space, but they also create a stunning green wall effect that instantly upgrades your balcony's look. Hanging baskets are another great option. You can hang them from the ceiling or railing, allowing plants to cascade downward. This adds depth and movement to your garden, making it feel more dynamic and alive. Tiered shelves are perfect if you prefer a more organized setup. They let you stack multiple plants in a compact area while still giving each plant enough sunlight. Railing planters are especially useful for very small balconies. They sit neatly on the edge without taking up floor space, making them ideal for herbs or flowers. By going vertical, you're not just saving space, You're maximizing it, and the result is a balcony that feels full, lush, and professionally designed. Number 4. Master watering and drainage. Watering might seem simple, but it's actually one of the biggest challenges in balcony gardening. Too much water can kill your plants just as quickly as too little. The most important rule is to never let your plants sit in stagnant water. Always use pots with proper drainage holes so excess water can escape. Without this, roots can rot, and your plant will slowly decline. It's also helpful to add a layer of small stones or gravel at the bottom of your pots. This improves drainage and prevents water from pooling around the roots. Instead of watering on a strict schedule, learn to check your soil. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it still feels moist, wait a bit longer. This simple habit can save most beginner plants. Urban balconies tend to heat up quickly, especially in direct sunlight. This means your plants may need more frequent watering during hot days. However, always avoid overcompensating. Early morning or late afternoon is the best time to water. This reduces evaporation and allows plants to absorb moisture more effectively. Mastering watering takes a bit of practice, but once you understand your plant's needs, it becomes second nature. Number 5. Maximize sunlight. Sunlight is the engine that drives your entire garden. Without enough of it, even the healthiest plants will struggle to grow. Start by identifying the brightest areas of your balcony. Place sun-loving plants like herbs and vegetables in those spots, while shade-tolerant plants can go in less exposed areas. Rotating your plants every week is a simple but powerful trick. This ensures all sides receive equal sunlight, preventing uneven growth or leaning. If your balcony has walls or surfaces that reflect light, use them to your advantage. Light-colored walls can bounce sunlight back onto your plants, increasing their exposure without needing extra space. Grouping plants with similar light needs also helps you manage your garden more efficiently. You won't have to constantly move things around, and your plants will grow more consistently. If your balcony doesn't get much sunlight, consider using grow lights. These are especially useful for herbs and leafy greens and can make a huge difference in low-light environments. With the right approach, even a partially shaded balcony can support a beautiful and productive garden. At the end of the day, creating a balcony garden isn't about having a lot of space. It's about using the space you have in a smart and intentional way. You don't need to build everything at once. Start with a few plants, learn as you go, and slowly turn your balcony into a space you actually enjoy spending time in. Over time, you'll notice something amazing. It's not just your plants growing, it's your connection to your space, your routine, and even your mindset. So whether you want fresh herbs for your kitchen, a peaceful place to relax, or just a touch of green in your daily life, your balcony can become all of that and more. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this with someone who needs a little green in their life. And now, it's your turn to grow.